just right.
Have you ever watched a cartoon and thought, I want to make one like that? Keep watching, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to start making videos yourself. Let me show you how I made the cake movie. Here's my original idea. A girl had a nighttime craving for cake. So I gave it to ChatGPT and then we developed it. Next, ChatGPT helped me create something called a character sheet. It helps you see the character from several different angles with different expressions. And I described her in great detail, and this is what it gave me. I'm not exactly happy with the style, but we can change that. So I gave it more information, and then I got this. This is the style I was wanting. Next, I'm going to create a location sheet where the actual story takes place, and I asked ChatGPT to match up with the style of the location to that of the girl. Here's what it made me. It's a kitchen and it's late at night, here, and it even has a floor plan layout of it, which I thought was really good. The reason I did this is to help the AI create consistent characters for me. Without something like this, the AI will have to create each image every time, and the characters do not always look the same. I'm sure you've seen that, right? So I had an idea, created the character, made a character sheet, then made a location sheet. Let's keep going. I'm still inside ChatGPT. Next, I took the story idea and broke it down into scenes. That's what I've got here. Now it's time to create a storyboard. I'm going to tell it to help me create a storyboard for my cake story that we're working on now. Using the attached character sheets, please create a storyboard based on the scene layout we just made for 30 seconds and 16 by 9. And then I'll click Go. Here's what it gave me. So you can see it's taken my story and broken it down into different scenes, describing each one a little. Next, I'm going to take this storyboard and go to Design and actually animate it into a 30-second movie. So let's go there next. Now I'm inside Design, I'm using the AI video, but let me show you around inside here. Once you open it up, you have many tool choices. If you're making an AI image or video, no problem, and there's many other tools in here. But today, I'm going to use AI video. So let me show you how this works. Once you get inside here, you're going to come here to AI video, and you can choose from all different kinds of models, such as Kling, Seedance, VO, and more. Today, I'm going to use Seedance 2.5 because I want to create a 30-second video. This tool, Seedance 2.5, can create videos up to 30 seconds, but it's very expensive. So I'm going to choose Seedance 2.5, choose Reference, and make sure that I have 16 by 9 chosen. I'm also going to choose 480p because I'm testing it right now, so I don't want to use a lot of credits. Now I'm going to go grab my storyboard and drag it in. Now I'm going to grab a prompt that I use all the time, and I will share this with you. This is something I've been sharing in some of my other videos. I'm going to go down here and copy it, then paste it right there. You see how many credits it is for 480p. If we were to go up to 720, it's a whole lot more. Then click here. All right, here's what it made me. Notice 30 seconds.
That is just right.
All right, so there were a few mistakes. I could rerun it again, but since it's so expensive, I won't. I'll just make it work. Overall, I really like it. So the next thing I'll do is go to Canva. Now I'm in Canva, I'm going to Video, choose Landscape, then go to Uploads and drag in my cake movie I just made. And then I'll watch it make some more changes. Watch me work. Okay, once you've got your video finished and you're ready to go on, the next thing you want is come up here to Share, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen and 1080, then choose Download. And in a couple minutes, you'll be able to put this on your website, YouTube, wherever you want to. Now you know how to use this method for yourself. It gives you super good results, but it is very expensive. If you use Seedance 2, you can make 15-second videos. If you're adventurous, come in here, try it yourself, and see just what you can make. Have fun experimenting!
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.